Hey there! Have you ever been in the middle of a transaction and suddenly hit a wall with the message, "You reached the request limit on Cash App"? Frustrating, right? Well, in this guide, we'll dive into some practical solutions on how to fix this annoying issue and get you back to smooth and easy transactions in no time. Step 1. Understand the Cash App limits. Before we jump into solutions, it's important to understand why you're seeing the message, "You reached the request limit on Cash App." Cash App imposes limits on the amount you can send or receive within a specified time frame to protect against fraud and unauthorized transactions. For verified users, the initial limit is $1,000 per 30 days for sending money, and an unlimited amount for receiving once certain steps are completed. Step 2. Verify your account. If you're encountering limits regularly, the first step is to verify your account. To do this, 1. Open Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. 2. Scroll down and select Personal. 3. Enter your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Verification can elevate your Cash App limits, allowing you to send up to $7,500 a week and receive an unlimited amount of money. Step 3. Track your transaction activity. Keeping a close eye on your transaction history can help you avoid hitting the request limit. You can easily track your spending and receiving activity. Tap the Activity tab on your Cash App home screen to view past transactions. Ensure you don't surpass the capped limits over the given rolling period, especially if you frequently send or receive money. Step 4. Connect a bank account or credit card. Another way to expand your transaction capabilities on Cash App is by linking a bank account or credit card. Here's how. 1. Launch Cash App and tap the bank icon at the bottom left. 2. Choose Add a Bank or Link Debit Card. 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your bank account or card securely. This connection may allow you to push the limits further and offer more flexibility with your transactions. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. When you frequently face the request limit despite your attempts to resolve it with the actions above, reaching out to Cash App support is a wise decision. Here's how to contact them. 1. Tap your profile icon in Cash App. 2. Navigate to Support and in the search bar, type Request Limit. 3. Choose Contact Support for additional assistance options. Cash App support can review your account and provide insights on further lifting your transactional limits. Facing the message, "You reached the request limit on Cash App," can be an unexpected hurdle. But by understanding and expanding your limits, verifying your account, monitoring your transactions, and utilizing support, you can overcome this issue. Following these steps will ensure you have a seamless experience on Cash App, enabling you to transact with confidence. Remember, keeping track of your activity and staying within prescribed limits not only helps prevent interruptions, but also protects your account from potential security issues. Happy transacting!